Are you wondering where the fuse box is located in the 2017 Hyundai Tucson and how to understand its diagram? In this guide, we'll cover 2017 Hyundai Tucson location, provide a fuse diagram, and explain each fuse's role to help you troubleshoot and maintain your vehicle's electrical systems. Driver's side fuse panel. The driver's side fuse panel in the 2017 Hyundai Tucson controls various interior functions, including lights, power windows, and infotainment. Each fuse is labeled for specific systems. Refer to the diagram inside the cover for exact fuse assignments. Engine compartment fuse panel. The engine compartment fuse panel in the 2017 Hyundai Tucson houses fuses for essential systems like the ABS, engine control, and cooling fans. Each fuse is marked for easy identification. Refer to the diagram inside the cover for specific fuse functions.
Type of fuses: blade fuse, standard blade fuse, mini blade fuse, maxi blade fuse, micro 2 fuse, micro 3 fuse, J-case fuse. Glass tube fuse, a GC fuse, SFE fuse. Ceramic fuse, Bosch fuse, DIN fuse. PAL fuse, low profile fuse, a Tandard PAL fuse. Link fuse, mega fuse, high amperage, link fuse. Fuse conditions: blown fuse. A blown fuse means it's no longer functioning and needs replacement, while a perfect fuse is in good working condition and performing as expected. How to change fuses: turn off the vehicle, locate the fuse box, identify the faulty fuse, remove the faulty fuse, inspect and obtain a replacement, install the new fuse, test the replacement. Safety precautions: disconnect the battery, wear protective gear, use proper tools, check for correct amperage, avoid water exposure.
If this guide on fuses and fuse box diagram is helpful, please like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.